Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a domain to Wix websites. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Wix site dashboard. Before you begin, make sure you are logged into the correct Wix account. This will help you access the website you want to update and avoid making changes from the wrong account. If you're already signed in to your Wix account, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the drop-down menu. From there, choose the option to go to all of your sites. This will take you to the page where all of your Wix websites are listed, which is especially helpful if you manage more than one site. If you have multiple websites under the same Wix account, this step is important because each domain connection is linked to a specific website. Selecting the wrong site could mean setting up the domain on a different project than the one you intended. Once you're on that page, select the specific site you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct website, because the domain you add will be connected to that site. After opening the site dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and find the Setup section. In that area, you should see the option to connect a custom domain. Click that to begin the process. This is the section Wix uses for linking a personalized web address to your website. So if you want your site to look more professional and easier to remember, this is where you'll set that up. A custom domain is useful because it gives visitors a simple and branded way to find your website. Instead of using a default website address, you can use a domain that matches your business name, personal brand, or project. Next, you'll see a search bar where you can enter the domain you want to use. Type the domain carefully, since even a small typo can lead to the wrong address being selected. For example, if your brand name contains a specific spelling or a special word, double-check every letter before continuing. A small mistake in the domain name can affect your website address and may require additional steps to fix later. After entering it, confirm your choice, then continue by clicking again when prompted to move forward. At this stage, Wix will guide you to choose the method you want to use. Follow the on-screen options and select the approach that fits your needs. Depending on your setup, Wix may provide different options for connecting or registering a domain. Take your time to understand each option so you choose the one that matches your website goals. As you move through this part, you'll also see the available duration options. This usually refers to how long you want the domain registration or connection period to last. Take a moment to review those choices so you can pick the option that works best for your budget and long-term plans. If you are building a long-term website, choosing the right duration can help you manage your domain without needing to renew it frequently. However, always review the pricing details and renewal information before confirming. Once you've selected the duration and any related options, continue to the next screen. From there, you'll be asked to enter the necessary payment details. Fill in the required information, carefully review everything one last time, and then complete the purchase or connection process. Before finalizing, check the domain name, payment details, and selected options one more time. This final review helps ensure everything is correct before completing the transaction. And that's it. After payment is confirmed, your domain setup will be in progress. Keep in mind that domain changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update, so don't worry if it isn't live instantly. This waiting period is normal because domain updates need time to spread across the internet. In some cases, the changes can happen quickly, while in others, it may take longer before everyone can access the updated domain. If you found this helpful, you can use these same steps anytime you want to add a domain to another Wix website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you successfully connect your domain in Wix.